Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rallyman Dirt. This exciting racing game challenges you to navigate treacherous rally stages. Your goal is to achieve the fastest time by skillfully managing your car's speed, grip, and damage. We will cover the essential rules, from setting up your track to mastering the unique dice system. Get ready to put your driving skills to the test and conquer the dirt, aiming for victory against your opponents. Movement in Rallyman Dirt revolves around a clever dice system. You select a gear from 1st to 6th, which dictates the number and type of dice you roll. Each die represents a segment of the track you traverse. Successfully rolling allows you to move forward, but failing can lead to trouble. Use your precious focus tokens to re-roll dice or even gain an extra die, helping you navigate tricky corners and maintain your momentum. Your car's grip is crucial for staying on the track. Each vehicle starts with a set number of grip tokens, typically around 5 or 6. Losing grip, often by pushing your speed too hard, can result in damaged tokens. Accumulating 3 damaged tokens means your car spins out, costing you valuable time. Strategic braking is key. It allows you to conserve grip and avoid damage, ensuring a smoother, faster run through the challenging course. Rallyman Dirt features various terrain types, each impacting your race. Gravel and mud sections, for instance, demand careful navigation and often require lower gears to maintain control. Planning your gear changes well in advance is vital for optimizing your speed through different track segments. The ultimate strategy involves balancing aggressive driving with cautious maneuvers, aiming to complete the course in the quickest possible time while minimizing the risks of damage or spinouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.